So what's been your favorite part of camp so far?
Probably making slime. I really like the s'mores.
It was like a volcano.
I think that summer camps have this magical ability for kids to create a pathway that they can become scientists, they can become engineers, they can become anything they want, and we want them to feel that they belong in the sciences and that they can continue on the adventure.
My favorite part of the day was probably shooting the bow and arrow.
We made our solar ovens yesterday, and we made s'mores out of them today, and now it's pretty fun.
We made elephant toothpaste. It was, so it exploded and it was like greenish.
Odyssey Camps, which is part of the Meteor Crater Education Alliance, the idea is to really inspire the kids. It's an opportunity for kids to try something they've always wanted to try or try things that are new. What they take away is extremely important, and all of a sudden they realize it's the best summer they've ever had, and I hear that a lot, and a lot of times during the day this is the best thing I've ever done in my whole life.
Some of the things that made Odyssey unique in comparison to some other camps and some things that we've tried with our daughters is the hands-on learning, that every day they would come home and it was a specific activity that they would talk about and be able to display.
It's always been a combination of, like, this is a little bit of art, this is something practical that we did with our hands. In one of her first camps, she was doing a lot of like taste-based experiments, and so she was thinking about cooking in the context of science because she was learning about things that are classically described as yucky, and then what makes them yucky and what makes them interesting despite the fact that they're yucky, things like that. And so that's been really exciting to see the sort of like blending of like the arts and the sciences together in everything that she's been learning. And so it's been very cool.
I think the special thing about it was like it was out in the woods, so the kids got lots of outside time. I didn't hear about any sort of like, unless the technology was a part of the camp, I didn't hear them like having a lot of screen time, but the science portion of it was what drew us initially. So I think that's what's special about it, like learning about science. It's very important.
It's really fun, and you get to do like a lot, and it's like for playing, it's just like out in the wilderness, so you can do like anything. Yeah, like you do new stuff. You get to see what happens, see what doesn't work, see what works. It's really fun here. There was a lot of science stuff, and we've been surrounded by the wilderness for a long time, so and I love that about it.
Mothers and fathers come back to me and they say, well, they became scientists, so they became engineers because of our summer camp programs. And the same way with our school group programs and our field expeditions, all of these programs all have that inspirational spark, and I think that's what the Meteor Crater Education Alliance is all about.